Actually, when my exams were going on, boards, that time I used to keep my studies aside and I used to doodle for the whole day. And I got interest in that, so I started researching on it. So after that, I used to see layouts and illustrations and stuff, and I used to try. My mom, dad suggested, as they are in this field only, they suggested it's better you go in this field. In other fields, it's like you're just repeating that same process, like what you have learned from the school. In college, it's like same repeated. But in this field, you always do a new thing every day, like thinking process or making drawing or anything. Here you can learn what is currently going on in industry, like people come interact with you. You can enhance your confidence or speaking skills, growing step by step and every day. It's because every day you have to do something. It's not that you are stopping somewhere. Other colleges में कैसे assignment देते हैं, you have to do that assignment and then finish. Here it is like you have to continuously doing either keywords, either 10 lines, either layouts, anything, but you are continuously working your brain. So this is the main, I can say.